Good evening, everyone. I'm Mark Adrian Taghoy. I'm here to report my topic from Group 4. My topic is consumer behavior. Consumer behavior refers to the study of how individuals, groups, or organizations select, buy, or use and dispose of goods, services, ideas, or experiences to satisfy their needs and desires. Understanding consumer behavior helps businesses tailor their needs and desires. Understanding consumer behavior helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies, improve product offerings, and enhance customers. Here's a detailed look at the key aspects of consumer behavior. Number one is decision making process. Problem recognition. Number one is definition. The process begins when a consumer identifies a need or problem that requires a solution. Number two, example, feeling thirsty might lead to the need to buy a beverage. Information search. Definition. Consumers seek information about products or services to address their need. Number two, okay, types. Nay two types ang information search. First is internal search, recalling past experiences or knowledge. Number two, external search, seeking information from outside sources such as reviews, recommendations, or advertisement. C. Evaluation of alternatives. Definition is consumers compare different products or services based on attributes like price, quality, and brand. Yeah, there are two types of factors sa evaluation of alternatives. First is attributes, specific features or characteristics. Number two, benefits, the advantages or solution provided by the product. Next is purchase decision. Number one, definition. The consumer makes a choice about which product or service to buy. Number two is influences factors like promotional offers, availability, and personal preference play a role. Next sa purchase decision kay post-purchase behavior. In definition kay after the purchase, consumers evaluate their decision based on their satisfaction or dissatisfactions. Number two, outcomes. Yang nay duha ka outcomes ang post-purchase behavior. Number one is cognitive dissonance, the feeling of doubt or regret about the purchase. Number two is meeting or exceeding expectations. Yeah. Ang consumer behavior models. A is economic model. Definition niya is assumes consumers make rational decisions to maximize their utility based on preferences and budget constraints. 2 kay focus, rational decision making and optimization. Next niya is psychological model. Number 1, definition emphasizes internal factors such as motivation, perception, and attitudes that influence consumer behavior. Yeah, nag-focus siya sa emotional and psychological aspects. Next is socio-cultural model. Definition kay considers the influence of the social and cultural factors on consumer behavior including family, social class, and cultural values. Yeah. Next kay behavioral model. Number 1 kay definition niya kay focuses on observable behaviors and responses to stimulate including the impact of marketing activities and consumer learning. Focus is stimulus response patterns and learning processes. Number 3, factors influencing consumer behavior. A kay psychological factors. Number 1, motivation, the drive to fulfill needs or desire. Next kay perception, how consumer interpret and make sense of information. Next kay learning, changes in behavior based on past experiences. Next kay attitudes, evaluations and feelings towards a product or brands. Yeah, pricing strategy, determining sorry. So social factors. Social factors. Nasa tulo kay kuan sa social factors. Family. Influence of family members on purchase decisions. Social class. Impact of socio-economic status on buying behavior. Next kay references, groups, influence of groups such as friends and colleagues and social networks. Cultural factors. One, culture, shared values, beliefs, and norms that shape consumer behavior. Number 2 is subcultural groups within a culture with distinct values and behavior. Next is socialization, the process by which individuals learn to adapt cultural norms and values. Next sa cultural factors kay personal factors. Na Japan siya tulo ka tawag ani. Number 1 kay age and life cycle stage. Different needs and preferences at various stages of life. Next kay occupation. Influence of job type on purchasing choices. Next kay economic situation. Impact of income and financial status on spending. And next personal factors kay situational factors. Number 1 yang akuan kay physical environment, the influence of the shopping environment on buying behavior. Next kay time, impact of time constraints and urgency on purchase decisions. Next kay purchase context, the specific context or reason of the purchase, such as gifts or personal use. That could be all. Thank you.